Hello children. So see, everybody daily you will have to do 5 minutes meditation. So everyone close your eyes daily. When you used to come to school, you all have to do, used to do, no? So similarly, what you have to do at home, you have to do 5 minutes. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, slowly relax. Close your eyes, everyone. Take a deep breath. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Refresh your mind. Relax your mind. Relax yourself. Take a deep breath. Rub your hands slowly. Take it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Okay? You all have to do this every day in the morning. Okay? So let's start next topic of your mathematics, that is multiplying 2-digit number. Okay? Multiplying 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. So here is one example. Okay? I am multiplying 23 into 12. These in the previous class already how we have multiplied 23 into only 2. Only 1-digit number multiply with this. But in this topic what we will study is we will multiply 23 into 12. 2 numbers we will multiply. See how, what is step number 1? Start from ones place now. 2 multiply with first number. Next is 2 multiply with tens place. What now is 2 3s are 6. Next 2 2s are 4. Okay, this is the step 1. Next is what? 100 place, tens place and ones place. 23 into 12. This already, now it is already we have this. This is the step 1, this is the step 2. See what now we have to do is this over now. And what about this now? How we have to calculate this? Same way. Calculate this is 1 place and afterward this with tens place. So before this what? Before starting next number, simply write 0 in the ones place. 0 in the ones place. 0 in the ones place. Okay? And after that, after writing this 0, start what? Multiplying with this number with the ones place, this number with the tens place. So 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Okay, we got this. Next is what? Step 3. What is the step 3? 100, tens and ones. 23 and 12. What we got this? First is 46. Next is 2 13. Okay. Now the next is we have to add these both number. What we have to do? Add these both two numbers. That is 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0. Any number, if we are adding the 0 to the number itself only the answer. This is a property of addition. 6 plus 0, 6. And what is 4 plus 3? 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2, nothing is mentioned, 2. What is the answer is 276. See, at once only we can do in the only one step. I will show you now that. Yes, 23 into 12. See, 23 into 12. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100 place. Okay. First what you have to do is 2 multiply with ones place. That is 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Next, before starting this number, what you have to do? Just simply write 0 over here and multiply, start with ones place and tens place. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Just add this both two numbers, that is 6 plus 0, 6, 4 plus 3, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus nothing is there means, if it is nothing is there means 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. That is 276. Are you getting? If any confusion is there, then clear it you. Okay. Now the one more example I will show you. That is with carry. How to calculate with carry numbers. That is 28. This is 100 place, tens place and ones place. 28 multiplied by 32. This is what? Multiplier. This is multiplicand. And what the answer will get, what is that? Product. In the previous class I have explained you that. And what are the properties of multiplication is? There are 3 properties of multiplication. First one is any number multiply by 0. We get is 0. The product is 0. The next one is any number multiply by 1. What is the product? The number itself only. And the third property is what? If we rearrange the order of number, okay, if we rearrange if the number is like this, if we arrange the order of number, the answer will be the same. These 3 properties of multiplication is very, very, very important. Okay, remember that. And now we'll start this, how to multiply these 2 numbers now. Okay. This is ones place, tens place and 100 place. Okay. Now, first start with this thing. 2 into 8. What 2 into 8 is? 2 8s are 16. 1 is carry 16. We have to write like this. Okay. And the next one is what? 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. That is 5. Now over this everything 2 is this, 2 with this. Over the. Simply write 0 at the down. And start with the next number now. 3 8s are 24. 24. 3 8s are 24. 2 is carry. Next is 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 6, 7, 8. And what now we have to do? Add with both the numbers. That is 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay. 8 plus nothing is there, then 896. So what is 28 into 32 equal to 896. 896. So these are the carry we have to add, and the final 0 we have to take here and add both the numbers. And one more example I will show you now. One more example. 73 into, this is thousands place and 100 place, tens place, ones place. That is 73 multiply by 48. Multiply by 48. See here. We'll start with multiplying now. This is multiplicand and this is what? Multiplier, and the answer is product. Okay. From where we have to start now? 8 3s are 24. 2 is carry, 4 right over here. Okay. And the next is 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 2, 58. Now this is first step. Next step what? Simply write 0 over here and start with the next number. 4 3s are 12. 1 is carry, right over here 12. 4 7s are 28, 29. 4 7s are 28, 28 plus 1, 29. Add these numbers, that is 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 2, 1 carry, 10, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14, 14 1, 15. 15 is 1 carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. That is 3504. This is the product. This is the product. So remember one thing is, one important note is there. Okay. Whenever you will multiply 2-digit number with a 2-digit number, product should be always 4-digit number. It will not exceed the 4-digit number. See how it is. If you are multiplying 2-digit with a 2-digit number and the product is always 4-digit number. Okay. Okay. Next is what? Try to solve skill drill 4.4. That is page number 68. Page number. Try to solve page number 68, skill drill 4.4. Okay, in the textbook. First one, try to solve in the textbook. Okay, and the next other thing is I will show you how to solve. Okay.